Welcome to Learn Tamil channel. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். In this video, we are going to learn about spoken Tamil. If you have missed watching a numbers part 1 video, that is how to say from 1 to 1 crore, you can go to the playlist of my channel and watch that video. That is more important. So only then you can understand this video. So please go watch that video first and then come back here and watch this video. So this video we will learn about fractions, percentage and lot more important topics of numbers. So numbers means எண்கள் in Tamil. So here, so whenever you want to convey two-fold, three-fold, ten-fold, it is like a multiplication. So multiplicative numerals is பெருக்கல்கள். So how you have to convey is, whenever you want to convey this, so put the number in the spoken form and the for fold add மடங்கு. So மடங்கு. So 2 மடங்கு, 3 மடங்கு, 4 மடங்கு, 5 மடங்கு. So it will keep on go like that. So the tenfold is 10 மடங்கு. It is very simple. Put the spoken form of the number first and then add மடங்கு in the end. And the next one is ordinals. Ordinals means வரிசைகள். So whenever you want to convey first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so we always come across this kind of a situation in the spoken form or written form. So whoever is practicing the written form, follow the second column. So it is reading and written. It is written here, but I'm not going to read this. Only I'm going to concentrate in this video of the spoken form. So the first is ஒன்னாவது, second is ரெண்டாவது, third is மூணாவது. So what it is, put the spoken form of the number 1 plus வது. It will become ஒன்னாவது. 2 plus வது ரெண்டாவது. A comes in between. First is the spoken form and the A comes in between and வது. So 3 plus வது மூணாவது. So remove the U in the end and put A. 4 plus வது. So 4 you remove the U and put the A. அஞ்சாவது, ஆறாவது, ஏழாவது, எட்டாவது. So it's very simple. It just continues the same pattern. Remove the A and remove the U and put the A and vadu in the end. So it will become the ordinal number. Let's say for example, second Saturday is a government holiday for post office. ரெண்டாவது சனிக்கிழமை தபால் அலுவலகத்திற்கு அரசாங்க விடுமுறை. Second Saturday is government holiday for post office. ரெண்டாவது சனிக்கிழமை தபால் அலுவலகத்திற்கு அரசாங்க விடுமுறை. அலுவலகத்திற்கு அரசாங்க விடுமுறை. That means அரசாங்கம் means government, விடுமுறை means holiday. So தபால் அலுவலகம் means post office. The next one is, so whenever you want to convey once, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, etc. So you have to use ஒரு தடவை or ஒரு வாட்டி. So both are common. So you can use anything, but most commonly used form is தடவை, ஒரு தடவை, 2 தடவை, 3 தடவை. So whatever the number, put the spoken form and put தடவை in the end. So for example, I called you twice but you did not turn. I called you twice. So we hear the twice comes, but you did not turn. நான் உன்னை 2 தடவை கூப்பிட்டேன் ஆனா நீ திரும்பல. நான் உன்னை 2 தடவை கூப்பிட்டேன் ஆனா நீ திரும்பல. So the 2 தடவை is twice. The turn is திரும்பு. So here did not turn is நீ திரும்பல. You did not turn is நீ திரும்பல. நான் உன்னை 2 தடவை கூப்பிட்டேன் ஆனா நீ திரும்பல. So the next one is aggregative numbers, the written form and the spoken form. For example, whenever you want to convey the persons, both persons, all 3 persons, all 4 persons, or all 4 of you. So something like that when you want to convey in the Tamil, in the spoken form, it will become very simple. Just put how many persons you are talking about and then பேரும் in the end. 2 பேரும், 3 பேரும் means 3 persons. 4 பேரும் means all 4 persons. 5 பேரும் means all 5 persons. 20 பேரும் all 20 persons. Hundreds of, நூற்றுக்கணக்கான, thousands of, ஆயிரக்கணக்கான. So let's say for example, thousands of people are sitting in front of the stage. ஆயிரக்கணக்கான மக்கள் மேடைக்கு முன் அமர்ந்திருக்கிறார்கள். So when you want to convey a big number of persons, so you will use thousands of, lakhs of, so நூற்றுக்கணக்கான, ஆயிரக்கணக்கான, லட்சக்கணக்கான. So when you want to convey the very less numbers, it will become the பேரும். Otherwise, you have to put the spoken form of the number and கணக்கான. Let's say, for example, those four of them are friends since childhood. Those four of them are friends since childhood. Childhood means சின்ன வயசு in Tamil. In spoken form. அவங்க 4 பேரும் சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே நண்பர்கள். And if you have watched my first video of spoken form, I would have said in spoken form it is always common to use some English words. So for example, you can also convey அவங்க 4 பேரும் சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே friends. So if someone with whom you're talking, they know a little bit of English, so you can also put some English words, commonly used English words. So அவங்க 4 பேரும் சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே நண்பர்கள். So the next one is decimals. Decimals means பதின்மம். So the decimal point is called புள்ளி. Decimal point is called புள்ளி. For example, 10.1. 10.1 is 10.1. Very simple. Put the spoken numbers and just put புள்ளி in between. 10.1. And percentage. Percentage means விழுக்காடு or சதவீதம். Percentage means விழுக்காடு or சதவீதம் in spoken form. So the 100% is 100. The 100 is the 100 விழுக்காடு or 100 சதவீதம். So the another important thing you have to learn about the number is fractions. Fractions means பின்னங்கள். So this is not much needed for the spoken form, but just learn the commonly used fractions. For example, this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is called கால், and 1 by 2 is called அரை. 3 by 4 is called முக்கால். There are a lot more fractions, but the spoken form is not commonly used. Only these three are commonly used. But if you want to convey some other fractions, some random fraction numbers, for example, here the 5 by 21, how you have to say is first put the spoken form of 21, the whatever the number you see in the bottom, and then put the first number. For example, 5 by 21 will become 21ல. So 21 is 21. So here 21ல 5. Just put the la, 1 la and the first number. 21ல 5. So 1 by 100 is 100ல 1. So 100 is 100, but it will become in spoken form 100ல 1. So 3 and 1 by 4. 3.25. So it will become மூணே கால், and which is very commonly used when you convey the time. So 3:15 is called மூணே கால். Okay, and 4 and a half. 4 and a half is நாலரை. 4 plus அரை will become நாலரை. 4 plus 4 plus அரை. So we have seen here the 1 by 4 is கால், 1 by 2 is அரை, and 3 by 4 is முக்கால். So 1 by 2 is அரை. So 4 is 4. 4 plus அரை நாலரை. And 5 by 5 and 3 by 4. So 5 plus this is முக்கால். 5 plus முக்கால், 5 முக்கால். 5 முக்கால். Okay, this is common fractions. So the next slide is we have come to the end already, and so these are the vocabularies we have learned today. Government means அரசாங்கம். Turn திரும்பு. Called அழைத்தேன். கூப்பிட்டேன். அழைத்தேன் is more than that. கூப்பிட்டேன் is the right form for a spoken word. Childhood is சிறு வயது or சின்ன வயசு. Full stop is புள்ளி. Percentage is விழுக்காடு or சதவீதம். Friends is நண்பர்கள். Saturday is சனிக்கிழமை. So I just put the line between so you can read it clearly. Saturday is சனிக்கிழமை. Day means கிழமை, and சனி is சனிக்கிழமை. Saturday is சனிக்கிழமை. and there's a small exercise for you. Whoever is want to practice, 7.5, 50 percentage, and 3 by 1000. So who is practicing the spoken form, write in the comment section so how you will convey 7.5, 50 percentage, and 3 by 1000 in spoken form. If you also want to write a written form, you're welcome. You can write a written form of this. I'll verify and get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something in this video. Nandri, you can watch the first part of the number from the playlist. You will see 1 from 1 crore, how to tell it in Tamil. Keep watching that. And if you like my channel, click on the like button. If you want to get a notification of a new uploads, click on the bell notification and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.